Let's dive into the Socialverse SEO Manager. So here we have the SEO platform where it's going to help you identify keywords, track those keywords, give you SEO engine actions, and much more. So let's jump into it. So here we kind of have our main dashboard, which we can see traffic, visits, SEO action progress, SEO actions to take, your average keywords, your keyword rankings. But for now, let's go ahead and just jump into this and show you how cool the SV SEO software actually is and how it can help you track these keywords. So inside of the platform here, we're able to kind of see all of the keywords, our current position for it, the position last week, and the position last month. So as you can see, we've started to work on the SEO using the SV SEO software, and we have made tons of progress. We're up 100 spots in the last month. We're now at position 1 for this keyword. And you can go throughout the software and basically track all of your keywords. Oh, we're up 27 spots in the last month. Oh, we're up 69 spots in the last month. This week, we're up 12 spots. This week, we're up 30 spots. And you can jump through. Oh, this week, we're up 21 spots. And this is a big one because look, there's 27,000 search volume for it. So you're able to kind of jump through and go through all of the platform and find different keywords, where you're at, what position, where they were last week, where they're at last month, and so much more. You can also go in to find and identify new keywords. You can add new keywords. You can see their search volume. You can add keywords by competitors. You can also map your keywords to pages on your website. So it's very cool. You can actually come in here and map keywords to every specific page. And then what that does is that helps you build SEO actions. So inside of the SEO software, you can actually come in here and see SEO actions. And what this is essentially is it gives you basically tasks to take, what you need to do, what's important, and actually how to do it. So once again, you're able to come see different tasks that you can do, what you need to do, why it's important, and actually how to do it. So the software literally tells you what to do and what actions you should be taking to start improving your SEO. So that is exactly what makes the software so powerful. If you have a Google business profile, you can actually connect your Google business profile and manage it directly from the software. You can respond to reviews, create posts, manage your directories, see your performance and rankings, and more. You can also identify and find backlinks, as well as see your competitor backlinks, and as well as do backlink health check, which basically says, hey, this is a backlink you have and the domain rating is this, it's high or low, or do you want to approve it or disapprove it? You can also come in the software, see your traffic overall, your keyword tracker, once again, keyword scan, and build reports. And then the other big benefit is there's a knowledge base and an SEO Academy built right within the SEO software. So it's basically all in one powerhouse to manage your SEO, find actions for SEO, manage your Google business profile, see all of your analytics and data, and as well as learn and improve your SEO knowledge. So that was just a quick video on the SV SEO software. If you have any questions, just comment them below.